Alex Perez! Ethan, Rafa, and Gavin, of course, Robin and Angela Ramjel in the house. At syempre, we would also like to officially welcome ang pinakabagong miyembro ng Dating Alex Perez, Miko Chumo. And he will be playing the role of Topher Palma. Miko, alipin nga dito, namin lang kita. Quickly lang, short answer. Anong pakiramdam mo na, syempre, parating ka ng pamilyang Dating Alex Perez?
Syempre, I feel blessed. I feel honored to play this role. Lalo na sila yung mga kasama ko. I'm so excited, guys.
We are so excited for you, brother. Alam namin gagalingan mo. Thank you so much for that. And now, for our first game, we have Robin and Angela. Yes? Gusto mo yun? Gusto mo yun? Yeah? And now, let's call in Frost and Sarah. The rest, maraming salamat, guys. Ay, nagpatanggal ng jacket si Robin, no? Mainit din. Ayan, Secret. Sabi ni Angela, ano game to? Secret. Magugulat kayo sa game na to. Ayan, Sarah and Frost in the house as well. Ayan, so, guys, alam niyo na yung game, pero I will tell it. Anyway, so, Ka-Viva Arcada, ito, we have two groups. Group 1, Robin and Angela with 6 Viva Arcada. Yeah, samahan niyo kami dito. Group 2, Frost and Sarah with 6 Viva Arcadas. Ready na kayo? Ito yung game natin. Ito yung next game natin. Nasaan yung mga Viva Arcadas natin? Let's call them in. Let's call them in. Let's call them in. Come on. Simple lang ito, guys, ha? Pero, alam mo, medyo may struggle to, pero ano lang to, parang chemistry test din ito. So, back-to-back kayo, back-to-back relay yung mangyayari. Ito yung setup. May ilalagay sa inyo mga likod na balloons. From there, you have to move it here nang hindi gumagamit ng kamay. Okay? Tama? Narinig nyo? No hands. So, ganito. Dalawang kayo maglalaro at a time. Magba-back-to-back kayo, patingin ng back-to-back. Yan, correct? Patingin ng back-to-back, Abjel. There we go, correct? At ilalagay ang balon sa gitna ng likod ninyo and you're good to go. Basta, paramihan ang ilalagay na balon sa box in 1 minute. From that box to this box without using your hands. Remember, doon nga tayo, guys. Doon tayo doon. Group 1 and 2. Ayan, Rabjel and Frost and Sarah. Hi, guys! Hi, classmates! Ayan, okay. Kita mo yung liwanag? Wala. Pwede ba ito direct? Bawal. Sige, ikaw lang gusto lang makaisa ng kayo. Bawal, no? Bawal. Bawal na. Yan, ganyan. Ang clingy. Okay, yan, ganyan. Yan. So, pag nailagay nyo na siya dito, boom. One balloon count na siya. Yan. Basta mag-ingat, okay? Okay, gano'n. So, may balon nyo yan, guys. Ano kayo? May tig-isang point na agad. Dahil. Okay, ready? Now, let's go! Tingnan natin. Ito nga ako sa taas. Sige ba ito? Okay. Angela, ingat. Nakahilis ka pa man din. At si Sarah. Okay, there we go. Here we go, guys. No hands, ha? No hands. No ups, no hands po. No hands. Bawal yan. No hands. Ulit. Bawal po yan. No hands. As in, back lang talaga. Balik kayo, guys. Balik. Ay, si Robin at si Angela. Iniisihan lang kami, ha? Patingin. There we go. Oh, walang hands. There we go. Ayan. Okay, there we go. How many more? 25 seconds remaining. Tuloy tayo, guys. Okay, yan. Yes, galing. There we go. Yes, walang hands. Tama. Tuloy. Ulit. Bilis.